How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life in Birdland Homestead. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm stacking functions in the garden. I'm just basically pulling the weeds and then feeding them to our animals. And that'll be rabbits and chickens. So that way I can combine two routine bits of work that need to be done anyway into one. Saves a lot of time for other things then. Oh Jesus, look at these creeping buttercups, and they're going to flower and seed as well. Well, I'm going to take these up and make room for our raspberries, which are here. And there's lots of new ones popping up too. So this is the ideal tool, and basically what I do is, I know it's no dig, and it takes very little to pull these up in a no dig garden bed. Watch this. You don't really need the tool for a lot of them. And that's it, a giant creeping buttercup already done. So the rabbits are going to eat that, and we'll throw that in there. Of course, our good old friend, I used to think that's shepherd's purse, but it's actually, oh, what's the name of it now? Bitter cress, and it spreads its seeds everywhere because it flicks them once the seed pods are ripened. So that goes in the crate. How easy it is. How easy it can be. Oh, there's two in one. See that? As quick as that. So creeping buttercups are fine. They're easy enough to pull up as long as you have a no-dig garden bed and if you have a claw. But let me try it by hand now. This is quite a big one. Yeah, it is doable, but you're not getting all of the roots there. I think you're better off to use the claw, or even maybe even a big fork. But I found these are a really good tool, but the handle keeps coming off. Of course, with all the pulling going on, probably going to glue that back on though. Even grass is really easy to grab. The rabbits particularly like the dandelions, so let's see if we can find a few. Here's one now. And I like dandelions, however, I just want to get rid of them at this stage, or at least tame them a little bit, because they're taking over the garden very quickly. And although the leaves are edible and they're nice, and you can make wine from the flowers, or the roots are also usable for different purposes. So, but the rabbits actually love it. That's their favorite food. So in it goes. We've got plenty more dandelions growing around the place. We definitely need to keep the numbers down a little bit. We're not getting rid of them all. I don't think you ever can. So next is a bit of grass. So I'm just going to cut that with my bushcraft knife, or garden knife. And let me see here. Oh, look at it! A young YouTuber there in the making. You filming too?
Yeah.
Alright, what are you making a video about?
Just compost.
Just compost, alright. This pile here, a giant pile of compost. Nice. Alright. Oh. So what I do is I simply cut it like that. Don't cut your fingers. Take your time when using a cutting tool. Nina, come here. Nina, come here. Hello. How are you doing? Are you warm today? Are you very warm? He likes to clean. He's our lens cleaning service. He'll clean any lens that you put in front of him, free of charge. Now, excuse me. Excuse me. is an extremely easy technique, and this long grass here gives them loads of food, and we want to keep the grass down anyway. So again, we might as well do our maintenance in the garden at the same time as feeding our animals. They're going to have a great time now with all this. And that's it. It's pretty much full. And we're going to feed that to our rabbits. Probably do another crate for the chickens as well. Might change some of the bits in it because the chickens can't really eat that grass properly. But they will. You making another video?
No, it's the same video.
Same video, alright, I see. So for the chickens, kale would be ideal because they can kind of tear the leaves one bit at a time. So let's give that to the rabbits. Are you excited? Here we go, happy hour. Believe it or not, they're going to eat that pile in about a couple of hours. They'll have all that gone. Enjoy. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you the next time. And if you'd like to support us, go to our Patreon page, our members page, or get something on our online shop. We'd highly appreciate your support. We also have events coming up, like workshops and courses. So just take a look at our website. We'll see you the next time. Bye bye.